Factoring by grouping. Once the greatest common factor is factored out, we can often continue to factor the polynomial using a variety of techniques. We discuss here a technique called factoring by grouping. This technique can be used to factor some polynomials with 4 terms. Factor xy plus 2x plus 3y plus 6 by grouping. Notice that the first 2 terms of this polynomial have a common factor of x, and the second 2 terms have a common factor of 3. Because of this, group the first 2 terms, then the last 2 terms, and then factor out these common factors. xy, 2x, 3y plus 6. So we have xy, 2x, 3y, and then 6 group terms. As you can see, we have x, y plus 2. Then we have plus 3y plus 2. So these is factor out the greatest common factor for each grouping. Next, we factor out the common binomial factor, which is y plus 2 in parentheses. So x, 3, goes right here, 3, y plus 2, y plus 2, y plus 2. Now the result is factored form because it is a product. We are able to write the polynomial as a product because of the common binomial factor y plus 2 parentheses that appeared. If this does not happen, try rearranging the terms of the following polynomial. Multiply y plus 2 by x plus 3. So y times x, y times 3, 2 times x, and 2 times 3. So we have xy plus 2x plus 3y plus 6. The original polynomial, thus the factor form of xy plus 2y plus 3y plus 6 is the product of y plus 2 parentheses, x plus 3 parentheses. Now let's do this problem. 15x to the third power minus 10x to the second plus 6x minus 4. We group by terms, which is 15x 3 minus 10x squared plus 6x minus 4. Now we're going to factor each group. So we have 5x2 times 3x minus 2. As you can see, we have this gives us 15, and then x to the third, and then 10. Plus 2, 3x minus 2 gives us 6x minus 4. Now we factor out the common factor, which is 3x minus 2 parentheses, which is 3x times 5x squared gives us 15x to the third. Then we go 3x plus 2x gives us 6x. Now we go 2 times 5x squared gives us negative 10x squared. Then negative 2 times 2 gives us a negative 4. And that's how you solve this problem.